Do you want to learn hypnosis? Do you want to learn how to hypnotize others? You are at the right place, my friend. I am conducting a completely free beginner's course on hypnosis. 7-day WhatsApp workshop. So my friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal. I started learning hypnosis in 1972, started teaching in 77. Now why this is a free workshop? Listen very carefully, my friend. When I started learning hypnosis in 1972, there was no Amazon, there was no internet, nothing was available. I learned through the hard way. Now, you might have seen a lot of videos on YouTube. You might have seen my videos on YouTube. I have more than 1100 videos there on YouTube. And more than 100,000 people subscribe already there. Now, many people demanded a very specific beginner's course so they can learn basic hypnosis, beginner's hypnosis step by step, and they can start doing it. So if you really want to hypnotize people, you want to learn how hypnosis works, you will want to hypnotize people and amaze your friends, this is the course for you and it's totally free. So my friend, it's a WhatsApp workshop, so go below down and see the WhatsApp group links there. Join only one group only one group. Yes, my friend. And once you join that only one group, workshop start. The first day it will be at 9 p.m. We'll send you your first lesson at 9 p.m. After that, every day you will get a lesson between 5 to 6. Remember, it's a video workshop, practical workshop where you will learn step by step how to do hypnosis. It's a beginner's course. So if you really want to learn it, register right now and we'll see you on the day of the workshop. Thank you very much.